friends, let's talk about anything that fits you. May it be your mind, body, or your soul. This is If the Shoe Fits, hosted by your new podcaster, Tracy. So hi guys! Welcome to my very first episode. This is my pilot episode. So finally, it's happening. I can't believe nga nahimo ra gyud nako siya no after pila ka years of contemplating if whether I should do this or not, if I'm ready for this or not, kung andam na ba ko mabash online. But anyway, human ako gaslight sa akong self, guys. I am finally doing this kay aside sa ako ang journal, kailangan na gid mo gawa sa akong thoughts, sa akong intrusive thoughts. Akong friends, akong husband, they are actually the one who keep on pushing me nga. Buhaton ni gid ni. So, medyo naging confident si auntie. And finally, nag-effort na gid ko. Ipalit na jud kog mic. And here we go. So, since this is our pilot episode, of course, magpaila-ila sa apod ko no. So, let me introduce myself. Hi, my name is Tracy, a wife, a friend, a mother. I am a corporate girly, currently working. And I just realized na aside from journaling, murag lami ra pud jud i-share ninyo no. Ako ang mga life lessons, life stories, and sometimes no pag gasturya mi sa akong husband, makaingon ko nga may pagi-podcast na to ni na ingana. Let me bring you with this journey. This is just my way of sharing our life, my life, and experiences. And also in this podcast, I will be guesting some people, those people who can share also their life experiences na probably makarelate ko o makarelate sad mo. Isn't it exciting? Kaya you know, if it fits them, it can probably fit you as well. So as early as now, you can message or you can comment down below kinsa ang inyong mga gusto mag-guest. There is a If the Shoe Fits. Very, very much welcome ang inyong mga suggestion. So this podcast will be about life in general and the beauty of it. So I hope that you'll stick through every episode and I hope that you will share this to your friends and your families. And of course, we'd love to hear your stories as well. So if you wanted to write us a letter or just a story no, that we can read here publicly at the podcast, you can email us at hey.iftheshoefits@gmail.com. I'm excited to read your letters or your problems na gusto ninyo matagaan o clarifications or violent reaction or just anything na opinion. That's it for our first episode. I hope to see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Diri na nag-sink in ang kakulba. 10 years na sa karon.
Ipagtarong.
Oh, 2015 di. Oh, ay 24.
Kinsa ang 2015? Kaya ako, 2014 man ko. Basig lahi itong 2015.
Pogi.
Wow!
Okay.
Confident ka may nga pogi ka sa katong nga gupit ha. Karon di ay jolly mong yapon ko.
Jolly mo gyapon
Jollibee. Ay grabe ka tawa.